Hello and welcome back, folks. Today we're making these gooey and sticky lemon bars. I acquired this recipe from my friend Mary Lou from Kentucky. These lemon bars were made for her by her grandmother since she was a girl, and her grandmother had been using the same recipe since the 1950s. And now I'm passing this recipe on to you, so I hope that you enjoy making and eating them. Add 175 grams of plain flour and 125 grams of butter into a mixing bowl and rub the two together using your hands. Do this until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Add 50 grams of sugar into the mixture and stir in. Lightly oil a baking tray that's approximately 20 centimeters in length with some cooking oil. Add the prepared mixture into the prepared tin and press down firmly. Bake in a preheated oven at about 180 degrees Celsius until it turns a pale golden color, or about 20 minutes. To make the lemon flavored topping, add into a blender or a food processor the following ingredients: 200 grams of sugar, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of flour, the rind and juice of 1 lemon, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Blend the ingredients together and pour onto the prepared base. Place in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes or until the mixture has nearly set. When cooked, remove from the oven and allow it to cool down. Then dust with icing sugar. Cut into square-shaped bars and serve at room temperature. They will last for up to 1 week when stored in an airtight container.